Man severely injured in elephant attack, family seeks assistance in Pelangpi. Hello and good morning. I'm Julie Baby and you're watching Carbing on Live. Now the top stories for this morning. As per expectation, the 28th Zonal Karbi Youth Festival for the Tekilangjun Cases Zone was concluded at Dokmoka Rasinja Playground on a positive note. The Zonal Karbi Youth Festival or ZKYF at the Dokmoka Rasinja Playground began on October 25th at 7 a.m. with hosting of the Karbi Cultural Society's flag by Tekilangjun Cases Zone President Tarun Taro, which was immediately followed homage to departed souls led by ex-President Kamsing Kro. A souvenir on the occasion was also released by Cases Tekilangjun Zonal Committee President Kamsing Ingti. Chief guest Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council E.M. Lunsing Teron inaugurated Jambili Alir House constructed by Tekilangjun Serdihun Club. While speaking on the occasion, E.M. Lunsing Teron announced that an amount of Rs 20 lakhs would be sanctioned through PNRD for permanent construction of permanent structure of Jambili Alir.
Kuning ngasih kana bangke itu nona son segmen kapur ini kali lo don maletu kuning jalan ni semen road dan punai pamesi 20 lakh sedangkan di
During the festival, several traditional events and competitions were held in which over 17 cases units participated for the respective coveted prizes arranged for the 28th edition of the Zonal Karbi Youth Festival. Samsing T's report from Dokmoka for Carbing on Live. Along with several other zones, the Zonal Karbi Youth Festival was concluded on a small but impressive note despite the COVID-19 preventive guidelines and restrictions. Organized at Dolamara by Cases Duarbaguri Zone, the festival began on Sunday evening with hosting of Cases flag by Cases Duarbaguri Zone President Rajan Hanse, MEC and KAAC Forest Development Board Chairman Richard Togby graced the 28th Zonal Karbi Youth Festival organized by the Duarbaguri Cases Zone at Dolamara. Attending the event, the chief guest MEC Togby made a declaration call for preservation and promotion of Karbi culture, asserting that culture signifies the identity of any community, without which a community is said to lose its identity. He reminded that Karbi, irrespective of his religion and political parties, it is the responsibility of every individual affiliate to keep alive the tradition and culture and to transmit them to our progenitors. The local MSC also praised and extended gratitude to KAAC CEM Tuliram Ronghang for providing all the development works initiated at Duarbaguri Cultural Center for promoting culture as per his request. He said that the cultural hall and art gallery that is the testimony of accomplishment of the promises he made during the 27th Zonal Festival in 2019. Further, the elected representative made announcement for construction of an auditorium hall at Dolamara, which he said would be completed the next Zonal Festival to be held the next year. He said that the proposal has already received the note from the KAAC CEM. VDC Chairman Sarkoy Rongpar, ex-EM Roton Ingti, renowned folk singer, musician of the district Daniel Ingti, and social activist Rensing Rongpar were the notable guests who attended the Zonal Festival. Arjisan Rongpar's report from Dolamara for Carbing on Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. More news to come after this short commercial break. Welcome back to Carbing on Live. The 28th Zonal Karbi Youth Festival organized by KCS Rongmongwe Zonal Committee at Rongagora High School Playground was also successfully concluded on a grand note. The 2 days Zonal Karbi Youth Festival for the zone held at Rongagora High School Playground began on October 24th. The festival was attended by KAAC EM Kache Rongpipi's son, Puru Terang, VDC Chairman Boronson Terang, BJP Mandal President Sam Ingling, and former EM Mohan Bey, among others. The day commenced at 9:15 a.m. with inauguration of multiple events organized in memory of ex-EM late Bhuban Chandra Terang at the hands of Rongmongwe KSS Unit Observer Mohan Bey. In addition to several competitions and events, a new Karbi film, Kachepaduk Ale, was released at the hands of Puru Terang in presence of producer Biren Singh Ingti, director Long Singh Ingti, Raju Tiso, and other members of the film and production house. The film is being released under the banner of Angjok Kimi Cine Production. Meanwhile, despite the fear and several restrictions in COVID-19 guidelines and protocols, the Zonal Karbi Youth Festival was concluded successfully with a huge participation of several KSS units and local people of the Rongmongwe area. Lop Singh Terang's report from Rongmongwe for Karbing Long Live. In the news coming in from Pelangpi, a person who went to attend Zonal Karbi Youth Festival was attacked by wild elephant. Here is a report. The incident took place when a man identified as Jugen Ingti of Deramokam Tiso village, along with 5 or 6 other friends, was on his way to Chengbong, Langsibu ground, where the Jet KYF was being held. The attack took place at around 7:30 p.m. at an area between Rikangmihong and Pelangpi. According to the victim, he was hit by the wild jumbo while trying to chase away a dog that was accompanying the youth and his friends. Locals rushed the victim to the nearest hospital, where the doctor advised the patient to be taken to some other better hospital for treatment. According to source, the injured man had received severe fracture on his right leg, which the doctor says had been broken by the force of the elephant's kick. However, the parents of the victim are poor and are unable to afford to take him to good hospital. Following this, the victim's family members have sought financial assistance from KAEC CM Tuliram Ronghang for the immediate treatment of the injured person. Mohan Teron's report from Pelangpi for Karbing Long Live. Well, that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbing Long Live. Stay safe.